Hello, so today I'm going to make a couple of these. These are a meat hook that basically you can use for smoking any type of meat like ribs, bacon, breasts, salmon, things like that. So our smoker is built in the way that we have these, what you call it, sticks on the top. So this one would basically slide onto the sticks. I'll show you in a minute how it actually looks. And then the meat would go onto these sharp points here. So this is made from these TIG rods. They are stainless steel. So they're pretty tough and durable and hard, so you don't have to like reground these, and I'm going to show you how to make them. It's very quick. You get 3 hooks like this out of 1 rod. Potentially you could probably get 4 as well, but I like to keep them a little bit long so the meat won't get in touch with the actual stick like this. So let's get to it and I'll show you how it works in the end.
Don't forget to subscribe and please leave a comment with your thoughts about this video. Every hook is 12 inches or 30 centimeters. I marked every 12th inch, and since they will be bent in the middle later, I also marked every 6th inch or 15th centimeter. Stainless steel is pretty tough, but with these power cutters it's doable. A grinder or hacksaw is another option. I've found that it's great to have really sharp hooks, as it's much easier to penetrate things like pig skin or salmon skin. I used a power drill to grind the tips on the bench grinder and get it really sharp. Then it's just a matter of bending the hooks. I start by bending them a little over 90 degrees on the middle to take the spring back into account. Then I put in a 45-degree bend on each leg, and this forms the hanging part of the hook. Moving on to the actual hook, I put in a series of 3 consecutive 60-degree bends on each of the legs until the hook is bent 180 degrees in total from the starting point. I used pliers to fine-tune the bend along the way and in the end to make them as parallel as possible. This makes it easier to cut through the skin of your meat or fish later on.
So it's getting dark here in Norway now. It's like 4 p.m. So it's November 13th today, Friday 13th, 2020. And I'm just gonna go and take a look at some duck breasts that I'm smoking, and we can look at the meat hooks that we just made. This is our smokehouse. Just open it up on the side here, and open it up on this side as well, and then just open it up. And here you can see the duck breasts that I was talking about. The hooks are also really convenient to use when drying. Here I'm taking a salmon side out of the vacuum salting and putting them directly onto the hooks. I use the same stick from my smokehouse, and I can use that to carry them around and hang them to dry and eventually smoke them without having to touch the fish and risk contamination. Don't forget to subscribe and please leave a comment with your thoughts about this video. Take care, and I'll see you later.